I already opened it because the storeroom because I'm not able to make my other video. But I just I did I don't have my next one here. This. So I have a spoon. Oh baby. I don't like to make this spoon. And some Play-Doh and this on the top. And this is for I'm gonna put this on this side. So I'm gonna be making something. This one cake. So I had this. Guessing. Okay. So I have this piece and this small piece right here. I'm gonna roll it right. I'm gonna make it little. So right here. Mostly I'm gonna make it like this and stick one to make sprinkles. This is how I'm gonna do it. Keep rolling it and rolling it. Like I have this one right here. I'm gonna stick it away. And this Play-Doh, it says this on it. That's in this white Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh. It's only 4 colors. So I'm just bit a little bit. It looked like socks, but this is how you make the pretzel socks. So this is how you make the pretzel like that. I'm gonna roll this. I'm just gonna put that on there. But when I put it on there, come on. On there. Let me knock all these off. Can you see it? Okay. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna get all the Play-Doh, stick it up, make sure none falls, pick them up. Jesus Christ. I should not let you collect like. Hold up, let me get this. Ew. Here. Let me get. Okay. I know that. So I'm gonna put her right here. Like this pool. And the dog comes out. And we're gonna test it if she eats it. So actually I'm not gonna use it for that. So I'm gonna press it, press it, press it, press it, press it, press it, press it away. Right here. But look at this small piece. Eat up. I got it in my mouth. I know I have to make you cool with it. Get it out. Get. Hi, people here. Say hi. I'm going to shock you. I'm going to beat you up, everybody. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, come on, get down. So now, my eyepiece like that, still sitting there. Now, I'm still struggling away. I'm just gonna make this. Can't. I don't have the extruder to make it like that, but this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this Play-Doh out. I'll just dough out. Let it. Let it. Put it. Yeah. Press it. I'm pressing it. Let me make it higher so I can see it. Press. So, press down on it. I made a cookie. I'm making a cookie. I'm going to put this donut on top of it. I pick the donut to make it more better. I'm going to put this in there so it won't dry. Because I don't want to be honest. I'm breaking them. SMR. I don't really need a last one. Make this piece. Put them in there. I'm gonna try to make. So right, I'm just gonna write Lotus. Put this in the middle. I'm not gonna put it all in it. So this is like an egg though. Oh my God. Say hi people. Hi. Shut up. Clean my plan. It's 801, 802. Take one. I need to count in. Bam. Stick it on. So basically, I'm at this probably stick on. I'm gonna say not really, but people for real. Get out my name. I like my bed. It's not a bum. Get it together. But eat it. I eat it. So good. Stop art people. I'm finding Anna. Playing with my Play-Doh. Bam. Got my money. Remember that, Miss Frida? Who is Miss Frida? The Ada? People with charm. Okay, I'm just winning my cookie. Come on. Hey, let me eat it. It smells like, it don't smell like Play-Doh though. Okay, let me take all this off. Don't that low. So let me put this off back. I'm still playing with white. I'm just putting them back because I don't want them to dry. That's ugly. And this is okay. Oh, where is it? Oh, here. No, I need it. I don't know. Yeah, I need this money. Where is I just it? Oh, I'm not looking. So, on this thing, chocolate. Make a middle with it. Take that off. Okay. Oops, this is my donut. Right frosting. So, going on to it. So, stop trying to get down. Why you got Pampers?
You need some?
No. You need some for yourself? You gonna pee and poop for yourself. Ew. That's why you was asking very bad for some Pampers and diapers.
I got these from Tyshawn's house.
From who?
Tyshawn's house.
From who? His little sister?
He don't got a little sister.
I mean, his niece. Why he taking a pamper from his niece?
I did. I stole them.
Why? Did he let you? Ain't she one? Ain't his niece one?
Why you care so much? Mind your business.
Can't kick you out, girl.
I'm gonna put my pamper on.
Bye, boy.